చెప్పు.
Monday.
Ah,
Monday.
ah,
One little girl
mm,
going to
mm.
grandmother's house. Suddenly, wolves came.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Mm,
Going to
mm.
my grandmother's house.
Okay. Wolf takes.
Wolf says shortcut.
Ah,
Grandmother
reached.
reached grandmother's
Ah,
house.
house.
Wolf said,
Wolf slept.
wolf said
Ah,
grandmother's bed.
okay.
Little girl learned.
Little girl shocked.
Little girl short,
Shocked and
short and Tata grand
asked for
Oxford Hill.
woodcutter.
ఉత్కట్టకే wolf
He saved.
విజయ్
ఎవరిని కాపాడిండు?
little girl
And
and little girl
little girl and
and grandmother.